আচ্ছা আমরা একসাথে হাই করবো, ঠিক আছে? 1 2 কোথায় তাকাবি বলতো আগে? এইখানটায়, ঠিক আছে?
এতবার হেয়ার ব্যান্ডটা নাড়াচ্ছিস কেন?
এবার ফাইনাল, ঠিক আছে? 1 2 3 স্টার্ট। হাই গাইস, 1 2 3 start. Hi guys! So today's video is going to be very fun. We are playing Pictionary Christmas edition, and so we have got a board over here. We will draw things and each one of us has to guess what the other one is drawing. And why Christmas edition is because each and every word is going to be written. So basically the rule of the game is one has to draw something and the other one has to guess what the other person is drawing. So, and it will be a Christmas edition because all the words we have chosen are related to Christmas in some way or the other. So this is my cheat and I have got 5 and she has got 5. So yeah, let's start the game. Which one of us will be going first?
How about rock, paper, scissors?
Okay, let's do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors,
shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So we have markers over here and a black and a black and a white board over here. So she will be drawing first. Open the cheats and don't show it to me or neither any of them. You guys also guess with me and if you get it right, comment down below.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
What is this? Is it a reindeer?
Yes.
Oh yeah!
You got a point.
This is reindeer and I guessed it right. So 1 point for me. Okay, I'll be shuffling it. Pick one.
So you can see it. Look there. Oh, this one. Okay. I remember writing it. I was very excited while writing this word.
Inside the juice, yeah, you know.
Sledge. Carols. Yeah, I wrote that too. I wrote carols too. Oh God, why did you write same word?
Carols, you can see. By the way, if you guys are wondering why there's so much thing happening in my cheat, it's because we didn't want to waste any paper. So let me take this one. I'm not saying. Is it garland?
No. It starts with a T. It's not T. No.
This is the whole drawing?
Yes.
It starts with T. And how many letters?
Like wait. You have to see.
Oh my god.
6.
6. This is a tree. No, this is
A decoration.
a type of decoration that is there in
Yeah, all the time we put this decoration to the tree.
to the tree. I cannot, I give up. What is it?
Tinsel.
Oh, tinsel. I would have never guessed it.
Yeah, I wanna
Okay, look that side.
drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I.
Oh, I don't know the name of
Yeah, I
it.
knew that you wouldn't know the
The
name.
main thing of the Christmas, but I know this, but I don't know the name.
It starts with M. There's a song that I really love. The name of the song is this. There's a song of JB. It's the most beautiful time of the year. You give up?
No.
Fast. Can't have so much
I
time.
give up.
It is mistletoe.
I remember mistletoe.
It's my favorite word from Christmas. Yeah, it's mistletoe.
Another day go.
I don't know what is happening. I guess it will be a little bit
How do
easier.
I draw this?
You don't have to draw this, you have to put all the words. But morning the tool is like, okay, draw something, I have to make some points.
Like, how do I do a celebration? Okay.
Did you just say the word?
No!
Did you just give me the word? Is it celebration? So I'm going again because she just gave out the name. What is it?
It starts with a B.
It's a bell?
No.
Jingle bell.
coloring, guys. So much of detail.
Is it a fruit? No, it's a decoration. You saw it yesterday when we are.
You picked up a bell, and it surely looks like a bell. Come on, it's a bell. Guys, can you guess this one?
7 words.
7 words?
It starts with a B and the second word is A.
Okay, there are 2 words.
No, 2 words, no. The second letter.
Then B-A. Balloons.
Balloons, like upside down balloons. It can't be. No, it's a decoration from the Christmas. So much of decorations, I don't know.
Praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you.
Christmas star.
You ain't peaked, never speaking,
No,
now they
it's
speaking
like
about you,
only
leave it
the
alone.
gorgeous glitter.
It
starts with a B and I can only think of the second letter.
Brighten up a moon, it's so honest, you depend.
Ba,
Pick it up like Chevy,
ba,
age
ba,
Machiavelli.
balloons,
Disagree, don't tell me.
bananas.
You are so close.
I'll start with everything that starts with B.
No.
Bananas, Bahamas. I give up, guys. I cannot. Mom and my mother and she has decided her cheat and I have
No, this shit I did it.
Babbles.
Babbles.
I didn't know this word only.
You did not know this. What?
No.
I don't know so much about all the decorations that you study and are interested in. You have got some really serious, difficult words that I cannot guess. I cannot guess all these things that you are planning to put up in your future Christmas.
Yeah, you know
What is this?
Come on.
Oh, it's a S. I know this. These are all the easy things that I came up with. I thought you were a little sister and you won't be able to guess. This is a snow star from when snow.
But it's not a snow star. It's snow, but something else. But I won't be saying the letter because the moment I say the letter, you will be able to guess the whole word. I can't
I
say
know
this
the
one.
name,
I
I know.
have to be a little tough right
I
now.
know the name.
1,
This is
Two.
star.
2. No, this is not star. Star is like this. This is not star. It's nothing related to Christmas tree, by the way.
Yes, I know. It's like outside.
This comes from
Yeah.
2, 3.
No, no, no. What's the name? I know the name. I know the name.
4.
It's a snow star.
Snow star.
I have told you it's not a snow star. Sprinkle star.
No.
I know.
5.
Give me a clue.
The last part of the word starts with S. You give up? Say you give up.
No.
Say you give up. No.
I say give up, then
Nobody will win.
I have to win.
Come on.
Snowflakes. I got 2 points.
running from the truth.
I'm pissed right now. I have to win.
I'll try to draw this, but
You have all the words that you can draw, and I have all the words that are easy as well as I can draw, and as well as you can guess.
Only fucking you now.
Snowman. Huh? Children. Girl. This is snowman. What is it? You were drawing braids. I guess this is a girl. She's laughing. No, she's not. She's saying something. She has to guess what she's saying. She could sing. She could sing.
When I drive around, don't feel it.
Skating. Playing.
Singing. Carols. But you have thrown the carols. Cheat.
no, I did not.
Is it carol?
Yes. But Christmas carols.
But by the way, you have drawn it beautifully. I have drawn these 2 only because I was too lazy. And hats off for her drawing skills, by the way.
This is not my drawing skills. I draw more beautiful.
No, it's a board drawing skill. It's different from the. It's different from the notebook drawing skill.
I'll pick this.
Look that side, no cheating.
I'm not gonna cheat.
Oh God, you will be guessing this one right as well.
Like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's
I have drawn ridiculous drawing, guys.
Snowman.
No, this is not a snowman.
It's a Paris.
I cannot draw. It's a very easy word.
No, I was confused.
It starts with J.
Jackman. Scarecrow.
I said J. Sun has said, by the way. So it's so dark, and also my phone camera started acting weird because it's
Yeah,
dark.
and there's so many mosquitoes.
Oh, that's because you were here.
Well, why? Just give me a clue.
It starts with J.
You
Ends with S.
Jax.
now I'm thinking of
So much of mosquitoes, you should give up right now.
No, our face is like sunburn.
Nah, it looks a little bloody as well as there are so much of grains going on.
Jackson.
No, it's not Jackson. So you give up, right?
Yes, I give up.
It's Jesus.
Jesus, I didn't. There was no clue. Nobody could answer that.
I have drawn a crucifixion. This looks like a weird person.
Like this looks like
Yeah,
a
this is
scarecrow. This looks like a scarecrow.
That's true. That's true. It also can be guessed as scarecrow.
But why will I say scarecrow? Because it's Christmas Pictionary.
So I have one extra shade and which I shouldn't be using, but since for the sake of the game and we are really loving the game, so we thought we should use this cheat as well, right?
Just waste away, don't know what life about. Nothing.
This is a reindeer.
Name it. What's the name of the reindeer?
Rudolph.
It's Rudolph! The word is Rudolph! I really love the name Rudolph. That's why I have to put it in here. And I really love that song, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Have a shiny
Have
nose.
a tiny nose, not shiny nose.
Shiny nose.
Shiny nose.
Shiny nose.
1, 2, 3.
Bye.
The red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys have liked this video. We really had a lot of fun while filming this video. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, bell button, and you guys know the drill. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.